For generations, ceiling systems from AMF have stood for quality, ease of installation and timeless design. System C is the best-selling system. With this modular ceiling, AMF tiles are laid into an exposed grid construction. For access to the void, all ceiling tiles are individually demountable. A perfect ceiling is the crowning glory of every room. In order to achieve an outstanding result, you should ensure that the ceiling components are kept clean and dry during transport. Storage should be on a flat and level surface to avoid damage. The AMF tiles may only be installed once all plaster and screed works are completed. After the room has been measured, the reflected ceiling plan, the layout of the ceiling, must be decided. Based on the room's size, the modular layout is determined by the tile size. Please ensure that none of the cut tiles are smaller than half the tile width. Now we move on to the installation. The perimeter trim is fixed at the required ceiling height. The corners can either be mitered or butt cut. Depending on the reflected ceiling plan, the hangers for the main runners are fixed to the soffit. Please pay attention to the appropriate hanger centers. The desired suspension height is roughly adjusted when using adjustable hangers. Now the main runners are cut to the required length. The main runners are then hung from the pre-installed hangers. When all main runners are installed, they are leveled exactly. The installation of the long cross T's is carried out row by row. The short cross T's are now also installed row by row. Always ensure that all profiles are installed at right angles to one another. After checking the squareness, all end T's are cut to fit. Clean gloves should always be worn when handling ceiling tiles. The ceiling tiles are installed from below. A suspension height of at least 15 centimeters is generally recommended for ease of installation. Proceed with caution where the wire hooks of the hangers are located. The tiles can easily be damaged here. Lay the tile end by the hook first into the construction. You can cut the AMF ceiling tiles for System C very easily with a Stanley knife. Please ensure that the tile is supported by at least 2/3 of the perimeter trim. A modular light fitting or other fixture can be installed in place of a ceiling tile, supported by 2 additional hangers. A special mounting frame also enables the use of different lights. There's nothing to stand in the way of a perfect result. Detailed installation instructions and further information can be found online at www.amf-grafenau.de.